Me, Jay Porter here, doing like difference between a Reball and paintball. So first, I just got back from Reball, so I'm really tired, and I just picked up a couple when they were just lying in the outfield and stuff. So the paintball. So paintball can be two colors or one straight color. I have this orange and yellow paint, and then it bursts out yellow, and then I have a full straight green, and it comes out lime green color. So these aren't as squishy, and they don't hurt as bad, and they leave a paint residue. But with Reballs, they are squishy, and they bounce, and they leave bad welts, but not as bad. Like these, they don't hurt until you get shot in the neck or another place in your body, which can actually quite hurt. So my other, my green paint is, if I can get it out, it's in here. So I have couple paint. So I have this two color, orange and yellow. I have the turquoise and lighter, or like blue and turquoise. I have the Reball, which is white, and some of them are yellow. And then I have this straight green. So these Reballs hurt more. And if you're looking for a good place to go Reball, go to Reball. It's at the Barrie Sports Dome. Place is awesome. There's one of the head guys there in the inside. His name's Steve. He's really nice. So yeah, hope to see you there soon. Bye.